Welcome to this introduction to the new version of S-Craft's Gateway. I'm going to quickly show you the tweaks and changes that we've implemented to make the system easier to use. There are changes to logging on, the main screen, and the procedure to submit an order. But the main change is that Gateway is now a web application and can't be used offline anymore. This means there is no longer an offline store, which makes it easier to keep track of your orders and work with other users. A word of warning, however, only the orders that you have backed up will be converted to the new version. So make sure you've got everything backed up before we roll out the new version to you. So let's log on and take a look. Your browser will automatically update Gateway and you'll see this new screen. Your username and password will be the same as before, but notice we have added a Remember Me option to help you with your password. Even if you don't use this, you won't need to keep signing in like you did before, as you're always connected to the server. When you do this for the first time, and whenever there's an update to the system, you'll see that it optimizes the system automatically for you. So once you've logged on to Gateway, you'll come straight into this home dashboard, which is divided into two main areas: existing quotes and orders. The screen will show the last 5 of both of these. Quotes are new entries waiting for a decision about whether to go ahead or not. Orders are those which you have placed with S-Craft, and anything that is awaiting manufacture, in manufacture or being shipped will be listed here. As I just said, the orders section of the dashboard just shows the last 5. So to see all of the orders, I can use the main menu on the left. Click the orders shopping bag, and that will take you to a page which just shows the orders. Quotes are very similar. By clicking this icon on the left, go to the quote screen. I can view or edit them and delete them if they're no longer needed. At any moment I can go back to the dashboard. There are a couple of ways that I can do this. I can click dashboard on the left, or home, which takes me back to the original dashboard with the quotes and orders listed. There are a couple of other options on the menu. These 3 lines is dealer settings, where we can change the defaults of various things. The cog is dealer preferences, and the document is where we can get reports to give us full information about the orders that we've placed. Up in the top right hand corner we've got the dealer name, so that you can check that you're logged in. So the dashboard is your home screen, where you can review your outstanding quotes and your orders that are in progress. Normally it just shows the last 5, but you can see all of them using the icons on the left. Let's create a quote and convert it to an order for production. The process is the same as before. You start with the order header and then save and continue when done. The next step is the BPI details. And again, you save and continue when you're done. Then click the plus to open the BPI and add the line item. Clicking the sides options opens this pop-up, where you can click where you want frame sides and sill plates. If you want them all the same, click all first, then all 4 set the same. Click the tick when you've done. Like before, there are places to specify build out, accessories and posts. We've made a small change to battens. They are saved separately to the shutter item, so I'll save the item first and then move on to add a batten. And save that. When I finish the items and battens for this BPI, I can add another or save and continue. The third stage is the product summary, which is the same as before. Build out now is indicated by a spanner, but this is still a good place to check what you've got in this quote. If you're happy, save and continue. And here's the trade price. If this is ready to go into production, then you can convert it to an order. But otherwise, you can create a retail quote or return to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see it listed as a quote. Let's convert it to an order now. Open it at the product summary by clicking View. To convert it to an order, simply click Convert to Order. You'll then be asked if you're sure. This is really important because the order will go straight to the factory and into production in most cases, and so you won't get a chance to change your mind on anything. So don't convert anything to an order unless you're certain that it is correct. Confirm it by clicking OK both times, and you'll return to the home dashboard. So that was a quick look at the new gateway. We've changed the home screen to show you your last 5 quotes and last 5 orders. Creating a quote is much the same as before, but remember there's no longer an upload button, so you submit an order by clicking Convert to Order. Working together is easier because you all see the same information, and there's much less logging in because you're online all the time. We'll be producing a mobile version in a couple of months, so keep a lookout for that. But in the meantime, give us a call on 01962 794 530 if you have any questions.